Poor data quality doesn't just slow you down. It actively burns money, kills productivity, and hands opportunities to your competitors. Here's how to ensure the data you rely on stays reliable, even at scale. If you can't trust your data, you can't trust your decisions. Noisy or inconsistent data can mislead AI models, analytics, and automation, creating confident but wrong results. But the right data quality approach ensures your insights and predictions reflect reality. And that means fewer operational errors, more efficient processes, and better decisions at every level. Let's break down the 8 steps to data quality assurance so you can turn every data set into a real advantage for your business. Number 1, define data quality metrics. This will help you decide what high-quality data means for your organization. Common data quality metrics include accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, duplication, and uniqueness. But different workflows prioritize different metrics. Product launches prioritize accuracy and timeliness. Supply chains care about consistency and duplication. Web scraping workflows often prioritize completeness and freshness. So, which metrics matter most for your business? Start by identifying which processes and decisions depend most on your data. Then, choose the metrics that directly impact those outcomes. Involve your stakeholders early to help you capture all perspectives and document everything in data quality framework so future assessments stay consistent and measurable. Number 2, profile your data. Data profiling shows you what your data really looks like, not what you think is there. It helps you identify potential issues, outliers, and inconsistencies before they enter production. In web scraping pipelines, data profiling often reveals partially loaded or blocked pages, CAPTCHA or bot detection responses, and HTML structure changes breaking selectors. Common profiling techniques include column profiling, cross-column profiling, and cross-table profiling. But if you're working with large volumes of data, manual profiling doesn't always work. You need AI-powered tools or large language models to automate anomaly detection and focus on fixing issues instead of finding them. Number 3, establish consistency through data standardization. Think about it. If dates, currencies, country codes, or naming conventions aren't consistent, insights aren't reliable. With data standardization, you convert data sets into a single, consistent format, ensuring teams interpret data the same way, systems integrate cleanly, and automation doesn't fail silently. For high-quality web data, standardization is critical when pulling data from multiple websites, APIs, and regions. It ensures your data is consistent and ready for analysis right from the start. Number 4, clean your data at scale. Once issues are visible, it's time to clean. Data cleansing helps you remove or fix duplicates, corrupt records, incomplete entries, and formatting errors identified during the profiling phase. When it comes to high-volume pipelines, automated data cleaning is non-negotiable. Automation reduces manual errors, preserves audit trails, and ensures your data sets are ready for the next step. Number 5, validate and verify for reliable results. Cleaning fixes structure, but validation and verification determine whether the data is actually usable. Data validation checks if values fall within acceptable ranges, while data verification confirms the data reflects reality. For example, are phone numbers the correct length and format? Are prices within expected ranges and currencies? Do scraped product pages contain real values instead of placeholders or empty states? Data validation tools and automated rules are essential here, especially when handling scraped data sets. They help detect bot-blocked or interstitial pages, fabricated or default values, and partial or incomplete content from failed renders or timeouts. It's a step that ensures only reliable, accurate data moves forward into analytics, automation, or AI systems. Number 6, connect the dots with data integration. Once your data is standardized, clean, and validated, it's time to bring everything together. Data integration combines multiple sources into a unified view, making reporting, automation, and AI workflows far more reliable. This includes identifying key data sources like CRM, marketing platforms, ERPs, or web-scraped datasets, mapping similar data fields to ensure consistency across systems, and using ETL tools to move and transform data into a single repository. This way, everyone in your team or organization can work with the same information, driving smoother workflows and insights you can trust. Number 7, secure your data. One breach, unauthorized change, or accidental deletion can undo all the work you've done to ensure quality and consistency. This is why data security is absolutely essential. You can protect your data by using encryption and strict access controls, implementing regular backups, and enforcing privacy and compliance standards for customer and internal data. Remember, proper security protects more than data. It protects the trustworthiness of every insight, model, and decision built on top of it. Number 8, monitor continuously, not occasionally. Data quality assurance is an ongoing process. As data sources change and scraping targets evolve, quality can slowly degrade without anyone noticing. That's why continuous monitoring matters. It means setting up data quality dashboards to track metrics like completeness, accuracy, and freshness, setting baselines and alerts so anomalies get flagged early, tracking scrape health signals like block rates, partial loads, and sudden changes in content structure, and adjusting tools, rules, or workflows as conditions change. It's how you maintain clean data for AI, reliable analytics, and scalable automation. But data quality assurance doesn't start with cleaning or validation. It starts at the very beginning when you collect your data. Because once you collect it wrong, even the best automated data cleaning or data validation tools can't fix it. So how do you ensure web scraping accuracy from the start? By using the right proxy for data collection. Reliable residential proxies help you avoid blocks, reduce partial responses, and consistently scrape clean data sets for your workflows. It's the difference between data you can trust and data you're constantly cleaning. If you need a reliable proxy solution for your data collection pipelines, IPRoyal's residential proxies can help. Talk to our team to help you design a proxy strategy that fits your infrastructure, targets, and scale, so data quality is built in from the first request.